Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Adult Services Librarian at the Beaumont Library District. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your computer to log reading minutes and complete activities through the library's online Beanstack website, which is what we're using for our summer reading club. To begin, you want to go to the library's website, which is located at www.bld.lib.ca.us. From here, you're going to navigate down the page until you see the area where it says click the photo below to sign up for our summer reading club. And be aware that our summer reading club is going to be held from Monday, June 7th to Saturday, July 24th. From here, you're going to click on the photo where it says Reading Colors Your World, and this is going to open up a separate tab to take you to the library's Beanstack account website. Once you arrived at the Beanstack website, you have the option to sign into your account. And if you haven't signed it up for a Beanstack account yet, check the previous tutorial that showed how to do that. We're going to click the sign in button like so, and then we're going to type in the person's username or email and then password. So let me do that now. And then once those pieces of information have been typed in, you're going to click the sign in button like so. You'll be able to tell if you were successfully able to log into your Beanstack account because your name will be shown on the top right hand side of the screen. As you can see here, you have three options available to you in Beanstack. You have the option to log reading and activities, and you also have an option to add a review. So we're going to begin with logging reading and activities by clicking this pink button. So as you can see, first question it's going to ask is who do you want to log for? And so in my previous tutorial, I created two accounts, one account for an adult and one account for a child. So we're going to focus on the adult user in this tutorial. Next, it's going to ask how do you want to log? So the options given here are you can either log reading minutes or you can complete an activity. So we're going to start with logging minutes. I'm going to click on that. And so as you can see here, it's going to have a box that lets you know that whatever time you type in will be logged to Rita's profile. And then you can select a day to add your reading. And then be aware the days that have logged minutes will be marked with green. So I'm going to say that I'm going to log minutes for June 1st. So we'll pick June 1st. And then when you scroll down farther on the screen, it shows you can type in how much time you spent reading. So I'll put 2 hours. And then you can put a title and an author, and that's completely optional. So I'll type in a title of a book. And you'll notice that as you type in a title of a book, it will auto-populate. And once you click on a specific title, it will add the author's information. Then you can add if you want to include a review. If you press no, you can select that option and just press log. However, if you want to write a review, you can change this from yes to no by clicking the down arrow and pressing yes, and then clicking log. And as you can see, it'll save it to your profile. And then, as you can see now, a box has been provided to add a review. So, can add a review here. Very good book. Will suggest to others. And then you have the option to either save the review or add an emoticon. So I'm just going to save the review. And then you can see your review has been added successfully. Now, if I decided that I was done writing a review, I can click the X right here to close this out. And then I can click where it says log reading and activities. And this time I can select an activity to complete by clicking here to complete an activity. As you can see, there's various activity badges that you can earn during the course of the Summer Reading Club. And if I wanted to know information about any of these, I could click on one of the icons here to learn more about what each of the badges details are to be completed. So for example, with this one where it says banned book, it shows that I would earn 1 ticket by completing this badge. and then it also shows what the activity is in order to earn that specific badge. And if I wanted to exit back out to see all the badges, I can go and click the X like so. The last option here in reference to activities through your Beanstack account is you have the option to add a review. And there's two ways in which you can add a review. You can choose to either write a review or you can post a picture review. So I showed you earlier how to write a review. So let's see what happens when I click where it says post a picture review. So it provides ideas for a picture review, and for example here it says based around a favorite character, moment, or overall review of a book. Here's some things you can do. So you can be creative, since the theme for our summer reading club this year is Reading Colors Your World. So you can draw a picture, make something out of Play-Doh, build some Legos, create an origami character, sing a song, or act out a favorite part of the book. After this, you can select your profile, create a name for the picture review, type in book title and author, and then you can upload the file for your picture review. Then to exit out of this, you can click again the X right here. So this concludes the tutorial showing you how to log reading minutes, complete activities, and write reviews using our library's Beanstack website for our summer reading club. Please make sure to like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials similar to this one. Thank you and have a good day.